we can see that in our culture, our society, right? See, in our relating to each other, we have lots of agreements. Yeah? I mean, lots of agreements. How to behave, what's acceptable, what's not acceptable, you know. What, saying certain things, saying other things, and if we say certain things, we know, oh, they're going to have consequences for that. See? And maybe I want those, you know, whatever. See, but we got all kinds of parameters and values and morality and, you know, how to behave. And, you know, being polite, you know, polite saying, this is an agreement, yeah? Etc. See, and we can break. So there's lots of agreements we don't talk about. We just like, okay, it's sort of foundation relating, you know, and it ebbs and flows in how we relate to those agreements, but still the agreements are there. So then there's also then agreements about communication, yeah? You know, as well as relating. So a thought here, if I may, is, you know, the way my mind would work, is then are some or all of the agreements we make that we call communication standing in the way of communication, if we're holding communication the way I just said, you know, getting somebody else's experience, you see what I'm saying? See, because if we back up and we're talking about this, you know, him hurting my feelings, I don't know why he's hurting my feelings, but you know, come on, that's his problem, all right? So, him hitting my feelings, saying, I'm at the effect of something. Or maybe he flatters me, he says, you know, oh, you're so damn cute. Whatever. Stop. Anyway, so, you know, we go down that road. See, is something happening? Yes, something's happening. And we might want to make a distinction between that something happening and communication. You know, just because something's happening doesn't necessarily mean we're communicating. Okay, so now we have a new distinction forming up. Now I use the word distinction. What I mean by is experience, you know, noticing something existing, and now in this case, something new existing. It's like one thing and another, so they're distinct kind of things. So we can manipulate each other, which is him hurting my feelings or flattering me, and I wish it would stop. So anyway, see, that's manipulating me, and I'm at the effect of the manipulation. In other words, I react to it, my brain goes this way, that way, you know, my feelings go this way, that way, my behavior maybe comes out of it. There's that, and if we call that communication, that's not what I was talking about when I was talking about getting his experience or his getting my experience. You see? So then you see what's happening here. See, if a lot of, you know, our agreements and a lot of stuff, because, you know, he's gonna manipulate me consistent with our agreements. Sometimes, you know, he'll cross the line or something like that, right? See, but still, we agree. And I agree that's a hurtful thing he said. I didn't have to agree with that, right? Yeah, but I agree, that's why I'm hurt. So if we call that, let's just call it, for the sake of argument right now, manipulation. He's verbally manipulating me, or in some other way manipulating me. Then that manipulation, although something's happened, and I'm at the effect of what's occurring, that manipulation itself is not communication if, as I postulated, communication is getting his experience, is getting my experience, by getting his experience. So then, would you start to see how much of what we normally call communication is that? A lot, yeah? A lot. I'm not saying it's true, but if it is true, then we would have to say, okay, we're doing something that's not communicating. We're not actually communicating. Right? Most of the time, we're not communicating. We're doing something else. Oh, I see, we're doing something else. Okay, nothing wrong with doing something else. I'm not saying, you know, something wrong with doing something else, you know. I'm just saying, oh, that's a different activity than communication.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.